Welcome to the life of a Welsh folk pop star. You might think you're not a fan, but you probably are. If you were to miss me, it would be a shame. The Welsh Whisperer is my name.
Previously with the Welsh Whisperer. Things might have slowed down a little bit, but I can still get a hoedown going whenever I need to. I'm hungry. So things haven't been going great between me and my agent.
What? I've got to pay 50 quid.
I'm hungry for love. You still owe me 50 quid for this one and all, man.
Dwi'm yn coelio bod oedd yn ei dalu hanner campynt sy'n mynd i olygu.
This is my bread bin where I keep most of my bread. The NWAB, National Welsh Association of Butchers, have been in touch and they're talking about funding a tour of Wales, which could be huge.
Hey, sy'n ti? Gai bwcio tan y pwdol efo chdi fori?
Dwi'n perfformio yma?
When I say dog grooming, what I mean is I shampoo their hair. No funny business, so tickets haven't been shifting for the tour. Turns out everyone's into EDM. Just bagged myself a music video.
I've been all around the world in search of paradise, but I got lost in Benidorm, so I actually went around twice. I rambled my way back home to a golden Celtic shore, a place where pineapples grow and there are coconuts galore. I needed to be back in Wales, flamingos chilling in the bales, and the tropical tortoise relaxing with some quails. I'm doing it the island way, the Welsh Caribbean's here to stay. I won't leave this tropical life until I find myself a wife. Whoa, come to Cap Glyn Moch Nant an exotic paradise. Yeah, the sun tastes just like hummus. Whoa, come to Cap Glyn Moch Nant. You can wear a bikini on the beach, or you can wear some traditional bathers. Hello? Oh, yeah, music video's going great. Nearly finished, actually. Say again? I have to pay 50 quid. I thought you said I was getting paid 50 quid. I haven't even got 50 quid. Hello? Hello?